What comes to mind when you hear the word cilantro? Some people can't get enough, others think it tastes like soap. It's a bold name for a switch, but unlike the herb, I don't think these are nearly as polarizing. Following Akko's recent partnership with HMX on the Mirror and Stellar Rose switches, the Cilantro switch was recently released as Akko's first tactile option manufactured by HMX. HMX is well known as a manufacturer of smooth, linear switches, and many of those qualities have carried over to these Akko Cilantro switches as well. At a high level, these switches are incredibly smooth out of the box. There's virtually no scratchiness with the Akko Cilantro, and there's a notable lack of any spring crunch or leaf ping. From my experience, Akko has always been great at controlling stem wobble in their switches, and these Cilantro switches are no exception. There's next to no stem wobble with the switch, which is really noticeable when you're resting your fingers on the keyboard while you're not typing. On the topic of key feel, the tactile bump is placed near the very top of the key press and feels more rounded than what I'm used to. The bump appears to be less pointed than some of Akko's other tactile offerings like the Creamy Purple Pro or even the original Lavender Pro. In combination with the liberal application of lube to all sides of the switch stem, the tactility of the Akko Cilantro is strong on paper, but in real-world use feels a bit more subdued. This is exemplified by the sound profile of the switch, which has a really heavy emphasis on the bottom out. At 3.5mm of total travel, this is squarely a long pull switch with a prominent bottom out sound that dominates the overall sound profile of the switch. Akko markets these Cilantro switches as deep clack switches, which doesn't really tell you much at all. They are deeper sounding than, let's say, the Akko mirror switches, but they are by no means deep sounding. The overall sound profile is still predominantly bright and high-pitched, but there is a mix of softness and warmth to it as well, which makes it actually quite balanced. All in all, there's very little for me to nitpick with these Akko Cilantro switches. If you're looking for a buttery smooth long pull tactile that you can use right out of the box without having to open up and lube, I can highly recommend these Akko Cilantro switches. At $12.99 for a box of 45, it's simply a great deal for newcomers and hobbyists alike. If you're new to the hobby, these switches are a great first option to understand what a technically proficient tactile switch should feel like. For those who are more seasoned in this space, perhaps the novelty of a readily available HMX tactile switch is enough for you to try these out. Either way, Akko has another winner here, and I'm excited to see how their collaboration with HMX continues to evolve going forward. In the rest of this video, I've included a few different sound tests of the Akko Cilantro switches, so take a listen for yourself. More importantly, let me know in the comments whether you like the taste of cilantro or not. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.